Ayan guys, balik ulit tayo sa baba. Eagle. Yan mga souvenirs. How much would this be?
Which one, sir? This is like 17 and that one, sir.
17?
Yeah, 17.
See guys, you can buy here a lot of algebra. Algebra exchange. This algebra company is not the same. Can I take picture here? Our video here. Yeah. Yeah, here. You can buy here guys a lot of souvenirs. Like for example, this one. This is very nice. Dubai. Oh really? Oh my god. This is very good. See guys? Yeah, a lot of souvenirs here. Keychains. Key holders. You see? Yeah. Abu Dhabi, you can choose Abu Dhabi collections, Dubai collections. Oh my god. And this, how much is this?
This is 174 and goes around 145 for the
Okay, this is very nice.
especially
Okay guys, if you want to buy some souvenirs from Dubai, from Abu Dhabi or any Emirates, you can have it here. You can have it here in Al Jaber Gallery. Yeah. A lot of souvenirs here you can buy. So it's a one-stop shop, right? It's for souvenir items. Yeah. This is amazing. You can visit here at World Trade Center Souk. All these items you can buy. See guys. These are the materials, or these are the souvenir items which you can buy here. From paintings, bags, frames. Oh my god. Here. It's already framed. T-shirts, souvenir t-shirts. Here you can buy anything but a souvenir. This one. Perfumes. Oh my god. And this one. Oh. Okay. You can see this one in videos. Before I will go home, I will come here to buy a lot. Because a lot of my friends back home, they are like asking,
Souvenirs.
yeah, souvenirs. Give me calling cards. See guys, this is magnets. You can put it in your wall or you can put it in the, and look at the cloth. It's perfect. The eagle. This is rubberized. This is rubberized. Yeah, this is 15 dirhams. This is key holders. Just imagine. This is sports cards. Okay, thank you, my friend.